Pass to jersey number 0. 20 seconds to shoot. Tutulo. To number 2 points by number 6. Makaili, 2 points. 2-0. 9 minutes and 43 seconds. Steal by Lota. Now, ito na si number 6. Sa ilalim, Rivera. Block, pero foul. Bola. Ay bola dyan. Bola. Clean block. Si Pinga. Block by number 6. Labas na.
Tanda mo yan.
9 minutes and 34 seconds. Score 2-0 in favor of Team A. Ruel. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound by Lota. Lota. 9 minutes and 18 seconds. Lota to number 0. Number 0, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 21. To Lota, 9 seconds to shoot. Una, take it 2. Wala. Rebound by Del Val. Sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound by Pinga. 8 minutes and 54 seconds. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound by Ray. 14 seconds to shoot. Ray. Wala. Rebound by Ray Gonzalez. Roll 2. 8 minutes and 33. Number 0. 0. Pass to Luna. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Lota, 2 points. By number 24, Lota, 4-2. 8 minutes and 16 seconds. Tupinga, take it 3. Wala. Rebound by Tunaw. Dudo. Pass to number 0. Exactly 8 minutes, 16 seconds to shoot. Kumakaili. Pass to Del Val. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Pinga. Pass to number 11. 11, pass to Ruel. Take it 2. Sige na. Sige, pasok ko na. Rebound by Scenario Lota. 7 minutes and 34 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Uno. Pass to number 0. Turnaround jumper. 2 points. Number 0. 6-2. In favor of Team A. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Pinga, lumipad. Foul by jersey number.
Abot ka pa doon?
First personal foul. 17 seconds to shoot. 6-2. To number 11. 11, Sumagasa. Drop pass kay Pinga. 2 points. Isaac Pinga. 6-4. Dalawa na lang. Palawangan. 6 minutes and 54 seconds. Steal by number 11. Number 11. 11, sa kanya pa rin. 20 seconds to shoot. To Ruel, take it 2. Wala. Rebound by Ray. To Ruel. 13 seconds to shoot. Ruel. 2 points. Ruel for upper foul. Foul sign. Foul by number 24.
Kakadali mo na lang.
6 minutes and 27 seconds. 6-4. 6-4 pa rin. 6-4. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound by number 11 pa rin. 5 seconds to shoot. Steal by Lota. 6 feet. Steal by number 11. Take it 2. 2 points. Number 11. Deadlock. All 6. 5 minutes and 58 seconds. All 6. Number 0. Nagmamadali. 0. Turn around. 15 seconds to shoot. Tulontak. Take it 2. Wala. Rebound by Isaac. 5 minutes and 40. Deadlock. All 6. Pinga. Take it 3. Wala. Bola na. Team A. All 6. 5 minutes and 33 seconds. 19 seconds to shoot. Sa una by Isaac. 5 minutes and 24 seconds. Isaac. for change. Pag na-shoot yan, or turnover, tsaka foul, change yan. Last 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. Foul. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. 7 seconds to shoot. Tulotak, block by Pina. Pag na-shoot, turnover, change na. Change na yan. Change. Change board. Score. 8-6 in favor of Team B. Change na po yan. Change na, baliktad. Balik na. Labas na po, labas na. Change. Oras, change na yan, change. 4-8-6, dalawa, lamang sila. Lamang Team A, isa lang. 4 minutes and 48 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot. 0, taking long 2. Wala. Rebound by Del Val sa ilalim. 2 points. Del Val. Dead lang. Only. Lumipad. 2 points. Pero foul. Foul by number 24 na naman. Second personal foul. Yung mga bagong dating po, lapit na po agad dito sa sa scores table para po malista na. 13 seconds to shoot. Take 2. Wow. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds. Ruel taking 2. 2 points. Ruel Mora. Change favor. 10-8 in favor of Team B. Exactly 4 minutes. To Nuno. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Rain. 3 minutes and 52 to number 11, Rain, ay number 11 pala, 15 seconds to shoot, to Roel, take it 2, block by Nuno, ay ni Lotak pala, to number 0, take it 2, wala, si number 24, narimo ni Isaac Pinga, to Roel, lumipad, wala, rebound ni Lotak. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 10-8 in favor of Team B. Lotak, wala. Pero ano tawag? Foul. 10, labas na po yan. Last hold na yan. Pag na-hold na yan, good na yan. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Nuno, tingin 2. Wala. Rebound by Del Val. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul. 3 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound by Rain. To Pinga. Lumipad. Wala. Rebound by number 11. Pass to Rain. Wala. Rebound by Lotak. 10-8 pa rin in favor of Team B. 2 minutes and 37 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds. Del Val. Foul. Labas na po. 7 seconds to shoot. 7. Take it 3. Wala. Di pa pa Pinga. Lumipad si Pinga. Wala pa rin. Pero good. Bagut. Foul. Foul sa number 24 na naman. 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Last 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Take it 3. Number 11. 13-8. In favor of Team B. Last 2 minutes is still by number 11. 11 lumipad. Wala. Rebound by Lotak. To Nuno. 19 seconds to shoot. Take it 3, naliwa sa akin. Rebound by Isaac. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Akin po. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound by Rain. 15 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 0. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 13-8 is still by Ruel. 1 minute and 22 seconds. Ruel. Wala. Rebound by Lota, 1 minute and 15 seconds. 13-8 in favor of Team B. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 0, taking 3. Wala, rebound by. 4 seconds to shoot. 3. 2 points by number Del Val. 13-10. 59 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. Pia. Anong tawag? Ano tawag? Labas. Last 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot na lang yan. 13-10. Tatlo lang ang lamang ng Team B. 10 seconds. 9 seconds to shoot. Banyares, libre sa gitna. 2 points. Wayne Banyares. 15-10. In favor of Team B. Pinuno. 16 seconds to shoot. Lumipad. Number 0. Wala. Last 20 seconds. Shot clock off. 70 seconds. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Banyares. Ay, Sasel by Banyares. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. And ang double game. Score 15-13. In favor of Team B. Dalawa lang ang lamang. Kawayan tayo. Kawayan po tayo. Napakaganda laban. 15-13. Dalawa lang lamang. Naligaw ha? Diba? Sa akin?